Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm creating this party eye makeup look, and to achieve the same, please keep watching. So to start off, I am applying my Estee Lauder concealer all over my lid, which will act as a primer, and this will make sure that all the eyeshadows that I'm using will pop more on the eyelids. Once I am done with applying the concealer on my eyelids, I will then apply my MAC Studio Fix powder so that my eyelids do not crease. And now I'm using the shade Sandalwood from the Huda Rose Gold Edition palette and applying that on the outer corner and also taking that into the crease. And now I'm taking the shade Cocoa from the same palette and I will apply that towards the outer corners of my eyes and slowly dragging that into the crease, making sure I am deepening the outer corners. Once that is done, I'm taking the shade Henna from the palette and applying that all over my eyelid. And I'm taking the shade Black Truffle from the same palette and applying that on the outer corners, and whatever is left on the brush, I'm just dragging that into the crease. Now I'm taking the shade Rose Gold and applying that with my fingertips on the eyelid and building the intensity slowly. And as I finish applying that, I will take a fluffy brush and blend all the colors together. I am then using the shade Moon Dust from the same palette and applying that on the inner corners and also on the brow bone. I am then using my Get Inked Nika eyeliner and I'm doing a small winged eyeliner on the lids. Now I'm using my LA Girl concealer just underneath my eyes so that I cover the darkness and also make sure that it is bright under my eyes. And now I'm using the same shades that I used on the lid and I'm applying that on my lower lash line using the shade Sandalwood, Cocoa and Black Truffle, and just smudging that and blending it well on the lower lash line. I am then following up that with my Kajal pencil. You can use any Kajal pencil that you might have and then just smoke that a little bit. I am using the Gouache eyeliner which has a smudger on the other end. You can use anything that you have. Once that is done, I am then going to apply mascara on the upper and lower lash lines. I am using 2 coats of mascara since I'm not using false lashes. And this is the final look. You can create this look for any party look, for New Year's, for Christmas. It'll just go with anything. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.